All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my XRP family. Just want to say thank you for all your support. It doesn't go unnoticed. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these updates. But yeah, let's really understand what's happening, going into Friday morning. As far as the market is concerned, the momentum is carrying on into Friday morning. It has been an insane past, 3 to 4 days. I'm sure everyone that is part of the crypto industry is aware of that. And you are seeing utility projects popping off, like just never before. And again, haters are speechless, and we love that, right? XRP right now is up 6% on the daily time frame. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, of course, speaks for itself, up 41%. I'm sure no one really needs that reminder, but we're briefly going to take a look at the price, pull out the charts at the end. But yeah, looking at the price, $3.26, and it's consolidating quite nicely here, up 2.5% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Market valuation at $188.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $24 billion, which of course is just mind-boggling to say the least. And yeah, just 2 months ago, let's remember, 2 months ago, XRP was only 50 cents. And, I know I've been seeing a lot of comments recently, Crypto ZX, I missed this and that. And of course, if you're a brand new investor coming into the space, I totally understand that. But, if you've been in the space for quite some time and your XRP was on your radar this whole time, you had 5 years, guys. Especially the last 3 years, specifically below that key resistance, which was around that 53-ish cents. So not everyone wins at the end of the day, but let's take a closer look and see what's happening. Then at the end of the day, we're going to pull out the charts. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So around 6,230 Bitcoin and 48,290 Ethereum were bought on January 16th, which is literally yesterday. So in terms of dollar amount, 626.1 million for Bitcoin and about 166.6 million for Ethereum net inflows. Moving forward, XRP flipped partner and the largest UK-based bank by total assets, HSBC, the 10th largest bank in the world. XRP is making moves, guys. The valuation speaks for itself, and I mentioned this in my XLM update, which you're going to be watching, I think, after. I'm going to be, releasing that update after this. But yeah, I discussed in that video why I see XRP flipping Ethereum. I really, gave a very in-depth analysis and, where my personal thoughts are coming from. And I do believe we're going to see this flipping happening. Reason why I say that is because, of course, briefly back in 2018, shout out to all my OGs. It was brief, did not even last, a full day. Because, XRP exploded. Shout out to you guys if you've been here that time. You remember the way XRP flew that one time in Q4. Literally from November, like late October, so I would say early November all the way till like literally January. It just completely just sent. And yeah, that was insane time to be, witnessing. And, again, we're witnessing those exact moments yet again. Looking at XRP though, Ethereum, nothing against it, but we need to look at it from a realistic standpoint. XRP has more demand right now, more retail demand, more institutional demand, more positive things happening. And remember, it hasn't seen an bull market since 2017 and 18 on top, of course. So I think that itself could really cause that flipping to happen. And I said, the valuation of $400 billion for XRP is not an unrealistic valuation to be looking out for. The reason why I say that is because imagine the lawsuit gets dropped. A bunch of ETFs start coming for it. Institutions, are partnering with XRP, tokenization, regulatory compliance, and, focusing on regulatory compliance and showing the importance of it. Where do you think this could really take XRP's price? I really, and again, I don't talk about unrealistic prices, but I think a realistic price prediction of $400 billion market cap is not out of the woods, in my opinion, for, XRP. And that would put the price at around $7 and it could even go higher in my opinion, but that's my personal take. But we kind of went off topic, but basically why I went on a little bit of a rant is because this thing, it's flipping some big organizations globally. Just a few days back, you could see, it flipped the largest bank in Canada, Royal Bank, which again is insane to think about. But moving forward, Trump plans to designate cryptocurrency a national imperative or priority per Bloomberg. And again, we've been hearing these rumors, 3 more days left until he takes over, and we're really going to be seeing what he says. And I have a feeling he's going to be talking something about crypto. And, a lot of rumors are flying around that, he's going to have, something to do with crypto in the first conversation, like that he's going to be focusing on it. There's going to be clarity towards crypto industry. Crypto is here to stay in the US. I think those are conversations that are going to be taking place, which of course is, causing a lot of excitement. But moving forward, you can see Charles Hoskinson on XRP. They've been through hell, delisted, sued, and excluded, yet they're back stronger than ever. Cardano knows despite XRP proving hard work and resilience wins. And if you follow my channel on a daily basis, what do I say on a daily basis to you guys? What XRP did is something that you need to appreciate, whether you hold XRP or not, whether you support it or not. You gotta give flowers where it deserves, because there were so many things that came in front of Ripple, and they stuck around. They continue to fight. They continue to push for what they wanted to push, and take RippleNet to global scale. Of course, tokenization, just completely have excelled in every aspect, and I just want to give them a shout out, and shout out to Charles Hoskinson also for being a good support. And here you are, huge stuff happening. And like I said, your credit deserves where it belongs. So look at this. Remember, it is projected that XRP will capture 80% of the 155 trillion cross-border payment market within 10 years. That is huge. That is huge stuff. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now. So as far as the dominance is concerned, dominance did go up over the past few hours, went up to the likes of 57.82%, but has been pulling down, but a little bit of an uptick since then, and that is due to Bitcoin making its way back above $102,000. And Bitcoin, maybe, as we wake up in the morning, could be actually above 102 resistance, and I think that would be amazing to see. But yeah, Bitcoin gaining traction is causing a little bit of an uptick for the dominance, but nothing too crazy in my opinion. But let's take a look at XRP. And speaking about XRP, I know I've been seeing some comments. If you, and guys, trust me, I've been here in this space for 8 years now, 2016, good old days. It doesn't, yes, of course, if you're looking at coin market cap all-time high, $3.84, you know what, we'll keep it as that. We'll just keep it. It's only a 15% move regardless. A lot of exchange, across the crypto markets actually have already seen a new all-time high for XRP, but we'll wait till, coin market cap all-time high gets, obviously retested for the first time in about 7 years. And I think, of course, that is going to be very exciting. But nonetheless, you cannot forget what XRP has been able to achieve. No one could have imagined literally around this time frame that, we would have seen this type of move. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, XRP went up 600% in a matter of 2 months. This is insane. Just complete madness. And I think we're about to enter price discovery mode. Once we do that, I think, sky's the limit. Things can really start heating up quite fast for XRP, considering, all these major developments. But if you're looking at the price of XRP right now, obviously it retested, the all-time high on Kraken. So I would just say all-time high recorded on Kraken, and I think there's a lot of other exchange, Bitfinex as well. Shout out to my good friend. I know you know who you are. When I originally came into crypto, I was using Bitfinex, and I'm sure if you have used Bitfinex, you probably know about that exchange. And I remember, when things just went crazy, and IOTA was also one of the projects that went crazy. Tron was also one of them. Just takes me back to the good old days, when life was very, very simple, believe it or not. But yeah, here we are. We broke out briefly on Kraken, and obviously saw this retracement due to Bitcoin as well, and also profit taking. But you are seeing XRP reclaiming quite, back up to this range. Sooner rather than later, we're going to see that breakout and start heading towards the $3.80. I do believe that, in the very, very near future, possibly even over this weekend, we could actually see that becoming a reality and, making history for once and for all. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this. What are your personal predictions on XRP? What is your realistic prediction on XRP? And do you intend to, take some profits? If so, which levels are you going to be locking in profits? And again, if you watched this video till the end, comment down below Trump to let me know you've watched it. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.